Hello guys, I get a chance to work on this natural language understanding model. So how we build is actually the tech stack that we have used here in the front end is the React and the back end is related to Python fast API. And what this model is actually doing, you can see there are a lot of flow models that we have created and if I will click on any model then you can see like any company can train their bot according to their products suits. So let's say this is the model we have trained for the banks, like for example the user wanted to transfer money. So you can see this is the complete flow that this is basically the customer response and this is the bot response. And we have different widgets that we can add like the text, button, images, carousel, calendar for the bot response. And similarly, we can add multiple things here in the customer responses as well. So whatever we wanted to add, we can add here. So yeah, this is the basically the flow model. Via the flow model, we are you know we can train our bots to understand the natural language via this flow model. And once this flow model is completed in this the chatbot, we can see how our conversation with our bot is going on. So let me quickly add a new conversation flow with the banker. Let's say I named this flow is test flow and description whatever you wanted to add. Okay, so if I will create this test flow, you can see this is the, let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, let's say we wanted to I have a business and I wanted to train my chatbot to understand the natural language. So what I can do, like you can see here, I can add anything here like I hello, how may I help you? Okay, so this is the text editor, you know, and in this text editor we can add anything like we can bold text, and similarly italic text. I mean to say like you can add any kind of behavior in the text editor. So this was just the text editor thing. So once this will happen, I am training my bot for my business. So what I can do, like now the bot response will come here, and in the bot response will say like you can ask any question to me, whatever you would like to ask. Okay, and we can add different variants here, like if you wanted to add different language variants, then you can add the different variants here and you can delete these as well. Okay, so now the customer will say, I wanted to check my account balance. Now this is the bot responses. You can see now bot response will say, will can, you know, sends the account balance image to their users and anything they wanted to see. Like I just have these images right now. So let's say this is my transactional bank account detail that I wanted to add here. I can add the link here. Similarly, the more information that if I wanted to add here, I can add in this way. No need to click, and I can add the text here. Okay, similarly, if someone wanted to make a button, then he can also make the buttons, can add different variants of that button. You can see the things are updating on the real time. Okay, we can delete this button as well, because at this moment this is not needed. And there are multiple branches of the start flow as well. Let's say uh, bot will say, bot can also say, how may I help you? Now the customer part will come. Customer will say, I wanted to learn new ways of earning. Now the bot will can add this thing. You need to set your timetable for that, and in the timetable they can add the calendar from where a user can set his timetable. The daily calendar, uh, monthly calendar, and yearly calendar. This is, you can see, and select the multiple time range. Yeah, this one. And I mean to say, like, you can train your bots according to your business. So this is the natural language understanding model that I have built. Now, whenever we click here on the outside, the flow automatically gets saved in the backend, and we are able to see this whole flow from here as well, and can see like how we have created our flow and what our flow is actually doing. Similarly, via this option, we can execute our, the flow with the help of, the in the chat bot. That's all. If you have any questions, then please let me